Let's take a look at the crypto market because Bitcoin price is falling further here this morning, extending the sell-off that we saw over the weekend. It's now trading just below that $60,000 level. Jared Blikre standing by with a closer look at this move here to the downside. Jared.
Yeah, 60,000 is kind of my line in the sand, but it keeps going above and below, and it's been in flux for a little bit here, a real level in play. And the reason is it just kind of sticks out on some of these charts. Now, the interesting thing about Bitcoin is it has been breaching the 60,000 level. It first did that in May, then in July, and more recently in August. It's been breaching it and hitting it farther and farther down to the downside. But as I've also been pointing out on a 5-year chart, this is simply a bull flag. So above 60,000, I tend to be bullish, and below, I tend to be bearish. We'll have to see what that next catalyst is. I want to talk about ETF flows real quickly, and that's because even though we saw some flows out of ETFs last Friday, I was tracking the Thursday to Thursday flows. And despite all of this pressure, all the selling and all the volatility that we've seen over the last month, we're still seeing inflows into the ETFs. And I think that's a positive story. You take out those two grayscale ETFs, so spot Bitcoin and spot Ether ETFs that have higher fees. We actually had additions of about $250 to $300 million in those ETFs from Thursday to Thursday. So on that front, it looks like the new people who are investing in these ETFs, for lack of a better term, they have diamond hands. Also want to consider that the dollar is up today. So we're seeing not only Bitcoin, a little bit of a weakness in Bitcoin, but we're seeing some strength in the dollar. And interestingly, we're also seeing record highs in gold. So maybe something's underfoot there, something we'll be tracking in the hours and days to come. Guys.